Hi, my name is Marcus Isaac. Watch how we turn this green screen into a beautiful floral editorial. Thanks for watching. Hi, welcome back. Okay, so we're here with Marissa Ropa, model extraordinaire. Check her out on Instagram. Okay, so here we are executing a beautiful green screen backdrop here with the model. Now we have a 4-light setup. Let's just get straight to it. We have a 4-light setup. Our first light, we have a 7-foot parabolic. Now this parabolic, if you'll notice, it's by Westcott, powered by a Profoto strobe. Interestingly enough, we have 4 strobes here on the set. They're all at 9.0. Now, what's very important is that when you light a green screen, it has to be evenly illuminated. Now, the 2 lights that we have illuminating the backdrop are a Profoto B1, and it has an umbrella on it, right? It's a 36-inch umbrella. On the right side, we have another B1 Profoto strobe, and it has a 7-inch reflector. Both the B1s are lighting up the backdrop. Now, why is this important? Simply because when we take it in post in Photoshop, what is important is that it's lit up completely. So when we cut out the model, Marissa, into our backdrop, is that so that it can evenly be cut out. The light behind her is a 20-inch beauty dish. It has a grid on it. It as well is at 9.0. Now this is a coincidence today. I preset all the lights, I already tested them, and usually all 4 lights are not the same. Today they are. Why? It just works that way. Every day, each shoot just works differently. Right now, all 4 of them are 9.0. Now the D2s are 1000 watt strobes, the B1s are 500 watt strobes. It just is what it is, right? Today, they just all work cohesively. I'm holding the D850 by Nikon. Also shooting with the 24 to 70 millimeter Nikon lens. I have the Profoto Air on camera. And my camera settings are 200, I'm shooting at a 200 shutter speed, f11 aperture. The ISO is 64. Okay, we have the beautiful model Marissa, and today we're gonna shoot 4 strobes, model, floral editorial. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, shoot that like button, and if you have any questions, please comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.